Alright, all you cool cats and kittens. A drill is the most basic power tool anybody who lives on their own can have. Welcome to Tool Time with Lolo Rose. I'm your host, Megan. Alright, so a drill is the most basic power tool. If you have a home or apartment or you live alone, male or female, it doesn't matter. You need to know how to use a power drill for putting in screws in a wall, drilling holes, putting up curtains. We're gonna learn about parts of it that are important. You only need to know how to operate it, okay? So first, we have what's called the chuck, and you're going to loosen the chuck by doing it lefty-loosey. Oh, it's on there tight. All right, and then you're gonna see what is called the jaw going back and in. So really fast way. This is a bit, by the way. Bits come in all different shapes and sizes, depending on what application you guys need the bit for. So you're gonna put the bit in to the jaws. I'm trying to do this without covering it. And then I like to just put it going righty-tighty, holding onto the chuck and making it go until it clicks. That means that your bit is safely in the jaws. We're gonna learn about some safeties and the battery. So, with the safety, if you see these little switches right here, it can go all the way to the right and all the way to the left. But if you put it in the middle, it locks it. The thing is the battery. To get it out, you're gonna have to press these two locking mechanisms simultaneously. So you push it and then you pull it out. That is how you get the battery out. To put it back in, just slide it in, click, done. All right, last up on basic drill knowledge is what is called the clutch. So you see all these numbers and this little wheel turns. What does this mean? The clutch basically controls how far your screw will go, right? It is meant to keep you from damaging your material. So if you're doing something like drywall, it's like a really tiny nail or screw, sorry. Part of my terminology. You're gonna want to put it on a lower setting so that it basically stops the power of the drill from going too far so you don't damage your whatever you're working on. Where it needs to go into a thicker wood, like a 4x4, 4 inches by 4 inches, a really thick piece of wood. You're gonna want to go to a higher setting. You guys catching my drift? So then there is this icon here, the drill icon. This is basically, it bypasses the clutch and gives you the maximum power for the drill when you're putting a drill bit in. And basically you can pre-drill holes for your screws, which I do have a how to drill a hole video if you guys are interested and need to learn how to do that. The next thing here is the speed. This is the number 1 speed. Flip it. See, it says 2. It's pretty fast. Pretty fast. I always keep it on 1. If for pretty much every application, I always leave it on 1, except for when I'm drilling a hole, get a hole drilled faster. But yeah, other cool things that this particular drill has is this magnet. You can put stuff there, and then this where you can put a secondary bit in case you were like having to switch between different heads. That is it. That is how you use a power drill. It is so easy, very effective, so many applications. You can put together any IKEA furniture you want. It's fabulous, fabulous, I say. I can't remember what else I was gonna say. Anyways, you guys, if there's any power tools you want me to go over, you want me to teach you the basics and just what you need to know. You don't need to know all this fancy other stuff. Who cares? That's for the men. That's for the birds. For the buds. Yeah, don't be afraid to put them in the comments, man.